I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Good morning, Decatur High School. Today is Wednesday, and these are your announcements. Parents and students, tomorrow there will be a parent-student informational meeting about scheduling from 5:30 to 6:30. Incoming sophomores and juniors will receive the information, and from 6:30 to 8, incoming freshmen and their parents will receive the presentation. Identical presentations will be on Monday, and the following Tuesday, coffee with counselors will be in the first floor office from 8 to 10 if any parents who have questions regarding scheduling. The art program is collecting old cell phones, iPads, and inkjet printer cartridges for a recycling fundraiser until February. Turn those into Miss Burdette. Anyone wanting to try out for baseball, it is not too late. Please see Coach Maddox in room 305 to sign the tryout sheet. Purchase your yearbook for $65. Prices will go up by Friday, and you can do that at jostensyearbook.com. Prom money is due no later than Friday, March 30th. Prom is Saturday, April 28th at the Texas Motor Speedway. If you have any questions, talk to Ms. Smith in the counseling office. And anyone interested in driver's ed, the classroom, or driving part, see Coach Reeves in the field house. Now for sports with Crazy Colin.
Yeah. And I got a colorful aura, like I got neon dots.
Tennis at Fort Worth South Hills at 8 a.m. and football booster club meeting at 6 p.m. in the library.
Now for Coach Park's 2 cents.
Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, I say, it's alright. Everybody in the club!
And remember, DHS, when you do something, you've got to know your why. If you don't have a why, you probably shouldn't be doing it. But if you do have a why, it's very powerful. It'll help you to your goal. It's my 2 cents. God bless America. Have a great day.
Have a great day.
A great day.